Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we're going to talk about how to draw a finite automata. Okay, so these are some of the examples which I've taken. Okay, so these are most of the commonly used expressions and how to draw a finite automata for these expressions. Okay, so as we know that a finite automata consists of a starting state and an accepting state. Okay, and there can be multiple states in between. Okay, so this is going to be my start state. Okay, and also this is going to be my accepting or my final state. Okay, and in between there can be multiple states. Okay, so making use of this, we can construct a finite automata. Okay, so starting with the first expression, if it is a single A or any other alphabet, how to draw a finite automata. Okay, so what you're going to do, it's a single A, right? It should accept a single A. Okay, so in that case, what we are going to do, it is going to have a start state. Okay, it is going to accept a single A. Okay, so this is how we are going to draw your finite automata. Okay, so if you want, you can name the states, like for example, this can be my state Q0. Okay, and this can be my state Q1. Okay, if you want to name the states like ABCD, you can also do that. So this is how we are going to construct a automata for an expression which accepts only a single character A. Okay, now if the expression is A asterisk. Okay, so A asterisk is nothing but your Kleene closure. Okay, so this asterisk denotes what it can accept 0 or more occurrences of A. So in that case, what we can do, it can be 0 or more, right? So in that case, what we can do, your initial state will also be your final state. Okay, so your initial state is your final state, also your accepting state. So if it is a closure, which means what, 0 or more occurrences of A. Okay, so now coming to the third expression, which is A plus. Okay, A raised to plus. So in this, what you're going to do is, A plus is nothing but, just like how A asterisk is what, A asterisk is 0 or more occurrences of A, and A plus means what, it is 1 or more occurrences of A, which means what, there should be at least one A should be there. Okay, it should accept at least one A. Okay, so which means what, there should be at least one A should get accepted. At least one A should get accepted. Later on, there can be more A's also. So what we can do, we can put a self loop. Okay, so this is how we need to draw a automata for A raised to plus, for A plus. Okay, so now coming to the last one, which is A or B. Okay, A or B and a closure is there. So A or B means what, again 0 or more occurrences of A or B, but here it is what, two characters are given, right? Okay, so it is what, again it is 0 or more occurrences of A or B. So again same way, what we can do, it is 0 or more occurrences. So what we can do, we can put a self loop. Okay, for the initial state also, my initial state becomes my accepting state. Okay, so it is A or B, or what you can do, you can also draw like this. Okay, A or B, you can draw it separately or you can draw it together. Okay, so these are nothing but some of the examples of how we can construct a finite automata. I hope this is clear to you. Yeah, thank you.